equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a small screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Surface Book. Next, carefully remove the screws from the back of the keyboard using the screwdriver. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, use the prying tool to gently lift the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Now, take a moment to clean the internal area with the cloth. Dust can affect performance. After cleaning, locate the battery. Disconnect it carefully, ensuring no wires are damaged. Replace it with a new battery, making sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery and double-check all connections. Before sealing the keyboard, perform a visual inspection. Ensure everything looks good. Now, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Your Surface Book will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.